Domino 10 is really going to be exciting for me personally.
I'm an overexcited admin.
I am very excited.
What am I looking forward to? Everything.
Welcome, Notes Domino 10.
An exciting new chapter.
I'm really excited by the note integration.
There's a lot of cool admin features that are coming.
Integration of electronic signatures.
Super fast corporate-wide email searches.
I'm very excited about the increased database storage limit.
Being able to run any Notes application on a mobile device.
One of my favorite features is the symmetrical cluster with automatic repair option.
It's the fastest and most manageable Notes client there's ever been.
And it's backwards compatible.
Now we can create cleaner code faster.
Domino 10 is going to reinvigorate our partner community.
My favorite feature of all of this is the people behind the software. This partnership between IBM and HCL is amazing.
We see our strategy proved by IBM.
I can feel a buzz again in the community.
It solves everything.
This means Domino 10 to us.
Admins and end users are going to love it.
It's going to make our lives so much easier.
The future's here.
Domino 10.
Domino 10.
So here's to Domino 10.
Keep it up, IBM.
Thank you, IBM and HCL.
Thank you, IBM and HCL.
Thank you.
Everybody's going to be jumping on board this one.
So what are you waiting for? Go upgrade.